Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. Leaving your Windows remote desktop open with default settings is a massive security risk that hackers actively use to brute force their way into your computer. I will show you exactly how to lock down your system and secure your remote desktop connection right now. Let's get started. First, we need to enable a critical security feature called Network Level Authentication, or NLA. This forces users to authenticate themselves to the network before a full remote desktop session is even created, blocking malicious software in its tracks. Right-click your Windows Start button, select Settings, click on System, and select Remote Desktop. Look for the toggle that says Require devices to use network level authentication to connect and make absolutely sure it is turned on. Next, you should never allow just anyone on your network to log into your computer. On that exact same Remote Desktop Settings page, scroll down and click on Remote Desktop Users. A window will pop up showing who currently has access. If you see any unneeded accounts, guest accounts, or old profiles in this list, select them and click Remove. Only add the specific trusted user accounts that actually need remote access. Finally, the most common way hackers break into remote desktop is by running automated scripts that guess passwords thousands of minutes. We need to stop this with an Account Lockout Policy. Click your Windows search bar, type exactly secpol.msc and open the Local Security Policy app. Expand Account Policies on the left and click Account Lockout Policy. Double-click Account Lockout Threshold on the right and set it to 5 invalid logon attempts. Click OK. Now, if a hacker tries guessing your password, Windows will permanently lock them out after 5 strikes. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.